This is Sami Masoud, VP of Solution Delivery at Paytabs. I work more from solution perspective, so probably my topic would not be more interesting. But I would like to be introducing how we build smart and agile payment orchestration, offered it to the markets, either central banks also in the region and the other players. Just a quick look about Paytabs. Paytabs started since 2014 as a payment gateway, traditional payment gateway. And we have serviced millions of customers, and we have done millions of transactions and billions of worth of money processing. We are doing this by adapting payment processing, building more products that can empower end users, that can empower businesses and give them the quick way to market. Paytabs also has been ranked one of the top payment gateways in the region by Forbes report recently launched. Our company strategy is to partner up with local government, with even private banks and investment group to empower them, give them the solution so they can hit the market quite fast without the hassle of building the technology and having the all knowledge that you would need to build to have such thing. We have dedicated offices across the region, including here UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Kuwait, even Turkey and Azerbaijan and India. So I would start today on the solution overview, the big picture of the solution, what we have at Paytabs. We have three vertices. One main vertex is the digital payment, is the online payment gateway. Everyone knows about it, where we give you seamless integration with one of the top leading product, where we also offer it to a lot of banks here in UAE. They are using us as a fintech enabler because, as been mentioned in the slides before I joined, the banking sectors is a bit legacy on the technology that they are offering, so it won't be that sufficient for the end customer to integrate with. The digital payment we are enabling here, you can just have a drag and drop e-commerce plugins, for example, to just start trading quite quickly. You would have a powerful reports and a lot of other value-added products as part of it. And then the other vertic, if you are a freelancer or even micro vendor, you can use one of our top leading e-commerce platform, which is called Paytabs, to process the payment, which is one of the Paytabs verticals that we offer to the market. And then the most important one is the payment orchestration. Today, as I've mentioned, a lot of banks, a lot of organizations, they just want to kickstart, but they don't have the technology, they don't have the capability to do this. So Paytabs have tailored the orchestration from acquiring perspective, from issuer perspective, where you can just pick whatever you want from the solution and then put it at your end, then you would be empowered and you would be go to market in no time. This is how we have this strategy, by having it either vertical or horizontal. You can approach with the product directly to the merchant. We can sell payment gateways, for example, or we can build from this basket. Like, for example, we can offer payment gateway, social commerce, soft POS, hardware POS, offline, online transaction, all are integrated in one solution. So you just need to tailor whatever you want. Even from the issuing perspective, we do virtual card issuance, we do physical card issuance, and loyalty rewards, and so on. And also, one of the value-added services that we provide is private labeling. So you can have this full solution in no time to start processing at your end, whether you are a bank or you are another fintech in the region as well. In this, how we are leveraging on cloud, because cloud has helped us to penetrate a lot of markets quite easily and quite quickly as well. Because, part of the things we are facing here is the regulation part, government, data residency, and all of this. So cloud is especially using it as infrastructure as a service is a big thing for us, where we can leverage on the agility of the cloud. This enhanced the operation from 20 to 30% for us, where we can just spin a virtual machine or spin whatever infrastructure you would need quite easily and quite fast to be in the market. And also enhancing the operation by looking into aspects like AI enabled technologies like anti-fraud, using AI, or even using generative AI, as recently everyone is following how quickly it has emerged. Then security and reliability of the cloud is one more thing. Especially you would have a firewall and other capabilities that you would take it without having the need to have it on-prem. We put our solution, Paytabs, as SaaS as a server, software as a service, or BaaS as well, depends on your use case, with all of the availability in the solution as well, like QR payment, digital marketing, and so on and so forth. Our strategy at Paytabs is to be agile, smart, and scalable. This is how we do it. We are working with the government, as I've mentioned, here in the region, either here in UAE or in Saudi Arabia. We are working with the big enterprises as well. So one of the most important things for these entities, they want to hit market quite fast. Because we are in a very agile world so far. So this is how we do it, using our own solution and leveraging on the cloud as well. I know we are working here in UAE, for example, one of the big players with us is Abu Dhabi Taxi. And when they have a special event or there is like a surge on the transaction or we could adapt quite fast and quite quickly using the cloud. This is one of the most important slides I have. This is how we can connect the entire ecosystem using the orchestration of Paytabs. We either homegrown solution that has been fully developed and built inside Paytabs, or even utilizing solution from third parties, connecting it to the same offering. BNPL would be one of the things. We work with regulators as well, card issuance and all of that. So you can consolidate all of your payment acceptance in one dashboard where you can see and track all of your transactions. You can generate reports. You can connect customer directly to your solution, and you can tailor it as per your needs. No need to take the full solution as is. And also we are working with the startups and other companies to be part of this offering and this solution. That's it. I just wanted to be in time. So thank you very much for having me today.